Hi everybody. Welcome to another session of financial management. In the previous videos, we were discussing about the different objectives of financial management, that is financial objectives as well as non-financial objectives. We have already discussed about financial objectives. It include profit maximization, value maximization, and also wealth maximization. So in this video, we are going to discuss about non-financial objectives of financial management. So non-financial objectives has come, non-financial objectives also. So they can be explained as the given points below. That is to enhance the employee welfare, enhance management satisfaction, promotes well-being of the society, and also provides quality service to the customers. So let us see in detail what are the non-financial objectives of financial management. First point is to enhance employee welfare. That is, we know that employees are the backbone of any business organization, and it is an important goal of financial management to enhance the employee satisfaction and also the employees welfare, and this is achieved by giving good wages and salaries, healthy and safety working conditions, good pension schemes, etc. So first non-financial objective of financial management is to enhance the employee welfare by giving good wages, salary, healthy and safety working conditions, good pension schemes, etc. Okay, then second one is to enhance management satisfaction. So managers are the people who actually meet all the objectives of the company. Shareholders simply they will be sitting outside and but the managers will be carrying out all the activities that is to be happened in the or the business activities that is creating value to the shareholders. So hence the financial management should take care of managers and their needs. So second objective of financial management is to enhance the management satisfaction, because managers are the person who are doing all the activities on behalf of the shareholders. And another objective is to promote the well-being of the society. A company is a part of society. We all know that it is rooted deep in the society only. Hence, the financial management cannot ignore the society. If we are telling one example, the mission statement of pharmaceutical company, that is Prefer, states that we will become the world's most valuable company to patients, customers, colleagues, investors, business partners, and communities when or where we work and live. So this is another one aim of the financial management, that is to promote the welfare of the society or well-being of the society, because all the companies are working in order to satisfy the needs and wants of the customers. In short, we can say that is the society. So every company they should take care of the welfare of the society or well-being of the society. So this is another one objective of financial management. Then last objective is to non-financial objective is to provide a quality service to the customers. So some companies state that their objective is to render quality services to the customers, and only the customers will demand the company only if they are providing quality services. So by rendering quality services, it is possible to delight the customers. This will help to sustain the existing customers and create new customers. So if someone says that this particular company is good or this particular product is good, then we will be the other customers, those who are unaware about the products or company, will be going for a test in that particular company, which is said by his relatives or friends or any other family members. So if the company is providing quality services to the customers, then they can sustain the existing customers and also they can create new customers. So these are some of the non-financial objectives of a business organization, that is to enhance the employee welfare, enhance management satisfaction, to promote the well-being or welfare of the society, to provide quality service to the customers. So we were discussing about the objectives of financial management. That is, there are mainly two objectives of financial management. That is financial objective and non-financial objectives. So financial objectives are classified into three. That is profit maximization, wealth maximization, and also value maximization. So we have already discussed about profit maximization and its advantages and disadvantages. Wealth maximization, its advantages and disadvantages. We have also discussed about value maximization. The next is non-financial objective. So some of the non-financial objectives, apart from every companies, they are having financial objective. Apart from that, they are also having non-financial objectives. Some of the non-financial objectives is to enhance the employee welfare, enhance management satisfaction, to promote the well-being of the society, to provide quality services to the customers. So thank you for listening to me.